Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video titled Audio and Video Does Not Play in PowerPoint. This situation could have two cases. The first one would be that the audio and video does not work with any application on the system. To isolate this cause, try playing a YouTube video on your web browser. If it works fine, proceed to the steps explained in this article on the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link in the description section. The first step would be to check for the Optimize Media Compatibility option. If this appears, it means that your presentation has compatibility issues, but they can be fixed. Let us check. I will open a presentation I made earlier. Then go to File and select Info from the list on the left hand side. Let me scroll through the options. I see no option as mentioned, which means my presentation is compatible. But if it wasn't, you would notice an icon like this one. Simply click on it and it will optimize the compatibility issues. The second option is to check for the codecs. The codecs have been explained in this article on the Windows Club. Simply click on it and it would redirect you to another article, Identify and Install Missing Codecs in Minutes using Codec Installer, which is a free software. The last option would be to clean the temp folder. Let me show you how this is done. Press Windows plus R to open the run window. Then type %temp% and click on OK. Now click on any of these files once. Then press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Then hit delete. When you hit delete, it would ask for administrator permission. Select the same. However, a few files would be left. Click on cancel. The reason these files are left is because they are being processed in real time as and when you are using your computer. This should help you resolve the problem. If you still have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.